Welcome to Narayana ATMs. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget and press the bell icon. You will get daily updates of my channel.
Evaluate the following. The first question, the sub-question A, sin 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees value asking. We know that sin 45 degree value 1 by root 2 plus cos 45 degree also 1 by root 2. So denominators are equal, add the numerators. So 1 plus 1 by root 2 is equal to 2 by root 2. So 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 by root 2. So root 2 cancel. We are getting root 2. Therefore, sin 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees is equal to root 2. In first question, second one, cos 45 degrees by secant 30 degrees plus cosecant 60 degree value. We have to find out that value. Cos 45 degree value 1 by root 2. Secant 30 value 2 by root 3. Cosecant 60 value 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2. So here denominators are equal, add the numerators. 2 plus 2, 4 by root 3, 1 by root 2. So numerator goes to the, so denominator goes to the numerator, the value becomes to reciprocal, root 3 by 4 is equal to root 3 by 4 root 2. So next one, evaluate the following. Sin 30 degrees plus tan 45 degrees minus cosecant 60 degrees by cot 45 degrees plus cos 60 degrees minus secant 30 degrees. Substitute the values, you will get the answer. Sin 30 value 1 by 2, tan 45 degree value 1 minus cosecant 60 value 2 by root 3 by cot 45 degree value 1 plus cos 60 value 1 by 2 minus secant 30 value 2 by root 3. So take the LCM for the denominator. Here the LCM is 2 root 3. 2 cancel, root 3 into 1 root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus, here root 3 cancel, remaining value 2 into 2 4 by, take LCM for the denominator 2 root 3. So 2 root 3, 2 cancel, root 3 into 1 plus root 3, root 3 cancel, 2 into 2 minus 4, 2 root 3, 2 root 3 cancel, root 3 plus 2 root 3, similar sets, adding this value 2 root 3 and 1 root 3, total 3 root 3 minus 4, 2 root 3, here 1 root 3, total 3 root 3, 3 root 3 minus 4. The first question, fourth one, 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees. Find out this value. So 2 into tan 45 degree value 1. So what here asking tan square 45 degrees. So 1 square tan square 45 degrees is nothing but tan 45 into tan 45. So here 1 into 1 we are getting 1 square. So 1 square also 1 plus cos square 30 degrees. Cos 30 value root 3 by 2 whole square. Cos 30 value root 3 by 2. So cos square is there, right? Whole square minus sin space 60 value. Sin 60 value root 3 by 2 whole square. Sin 60 value root 3 by 2 and whole square I have to write. Sin square is given 2 plus value and minus value cancel 0. Answer 2. The first question E problem. So fifth problem, secant square 60 degrees minus tan square 60 degrees by sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees. Secant square 60 degree value, so secant 60 value 2, a square is given 2 square minus tan square 60 value, tan 60 value root 3 whole square by sin square 30 degrees, sin 30 value 1 by 2, a square is given 1 by 2 whole square, cos square 30 degrees, cos 30 value root 3 by 2, a square is given whole square, 2 square value 4, square and root get cancel, 3 by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, 4 minus 3 1. So denominators are equal, add the numerators, 4 by 4, 4 get cancelled, 1. Choose the right option and justify your answer. So problem is given, answer problem given that 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees. Find out this value first. 2 into tan 30 value 1 by root 3 plus 1 plus tan 45 degree value 1. Here 1 square. So 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 square value again 1. 2 by root 3 by 2. Here numerator 2, here numerator 2 get cancelled. We are getting 1 by root 3. This 1 by root 3 value equating to 1 by root 3 value tan 30 degrees. Therefore option C is the correct. In the question 2, second one, choose the right option and justify your choice. So given that 1 minus tan square 45 degrees by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees. 1 minus tan 45 value 1. So 1 square, here asking tan square 45. 1 square 1 plus tan 45 value 1. Here square is given 1 square. So 1 square minus 1 square. So 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 0 by 2. So this value is 0. So third question, second problem, given that 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 minus tan square 30 degrees. 2 into tan 30 value 1 by root 3 by 1 minus tan 30 value again 1 by root 3. You're asking tan square 30 degrees whole square 2 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by 3. Square root and root get cancelled. 1 minus 1 by 3. 2 by root 3 by 3 minus 1 by 3. 2 by root 3 by 3 minus 1. 2 by 3. So 2 by root 3. The denominator value goes to the numerator. The value becomes to reciprocal 3 by 2. 2 to get cancelled. 3 by root 3. So 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 by root 3. So root 3 get cancelled. We are getting root 3. So root 3 value tan 60 degrees. Answer C. Evaluate sin 60 degrees sin 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees into cos 60 degrees. What is the value of sin 60 degrees plus 30 degrees? What can you conclude? First we have to find out the sin 60 into cos 30 plus sin 30 into cos 60. So given that sin 60 into cos 30 plus sin 30 into cos 60. Sin 60 degree value root 3 by 2. Cos 30 value again root 3 by 2. Sin 30 value 1 by 2. Cos 60 value 1 by 2. So root 3 into root 3, 3, 2 into 2, 4. Here 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 4. So denominators are equal, add the numerators. 3 plus 1, 4 by 4. So getting 1. Sin 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is equal to sin 90 degrees. Sin 90 value 1. So we can conclude that, therefore we can conclude that sin 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is equal to sin 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees into cos 60 degrees. So is it right to say cos of 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is equal to cos 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees minus sin 60 degrees into sin 30 degrees? So is equation satisfying or not? We have to verify. First we have to find out the LHS value and RHS value. So LHS value is equal to the RHS value. This equation is true. So given that, consider LHS value cos 60 degrees plus 30 degrees, cos 60 plus 30 cos 90 degrees. So cos 90 value 0. Also find out the RHS value cos 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees minus sin 60 degrees into sin 30 degrees. Cos 60 degree value 1 by 2. Cos 30 value root 3 by 2 minus sin 60 value root 3 by 2. Sin 30 value 1 by 2. So root 3 by 4, this value also root 3 by 4. Root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 cancel, we are getting answer 0. So LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore cos 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is equal to cos 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees minus sin 60 degrees into sin 30 degrees. So given statement is true. Therefore hence so it is true. in a right angle triangle PQR, right angle is at Q and PQ equal to 6 centimeters. Angle RP equal to 60 degrees. Determine the lengths of QR and PR. So draw the right angle triangle. First, it is a right angle triangle PQR. At Q, right angle P is given, angle RPQ, given that triangle PQR, right angle is at Q and PQ equal to 6 centimeters. The PQ value 6 centimeters. Angle RPQ equal to 60 degrees. Angle P 60 degrees. Find out the value of QR and RP. So tan 60 from this diagram, tan 60 opposite side RQ or QR, opposite side is QR by adjacent side QP. Tan 60 value, we know that tan 60 value root 3. QR value, how to find out QR value? QP is nothing but PQ value 6 centimeters. QR is equal to root 3 into 6 root 3 centimeters. Next, 6 root 3 centimeters. Next, find out the length of PR. So length of PR. So apply the sin 60 or cos 60. You are getting PR value. Why? Because we are applying sin 60 and cos 60. We know that opposite side or adjacent side. We know already opposite side and adjacent side. So in sin and cos, hypotenuse is involving. Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. The opposite side is given and adjacent side is given. Hypotenuse not given. So apply the sin or cos. We are getting answer PR. I am applying sin 60 degrees. Sin 60 is equal to opposite side. So with respect to 60 degrees, opposite side is QR by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is nothing but right angle opposite side PR. QR is equal to QR value 6 root 3 by PR value have to find out. Sin 60 degree value root 3 by 2 is equal to 6 root 3 by PR. So root 3 cancel. Cross multiplication PR is equal to 6 into 2. That is 12 centimeters. Therefore, the length of QR is equal to 6 root 3 centimeters and also length of PR is equal to 12 centimeters. In a right angle, we are missing some value. Right angle XYZ. So right angle triangle XYZ. Right angle triangle XYZ. Angle Y is equal to 90 degrees. YZ is equal to X. XZ is equal to 2X. So draw the right angle triangle. So angle Y equal to 90 already given. Y. So consider the order in the clockwise direction. X, Y, Z. YZ value. YZ is equal to X. X is given. And also XZ value. XZ value 2X is given. Now find out the angles YXZ. So find out the angle at X. and also find out the angle at Z. Now apply the sin x, sin x, sin x is equal to sin x. Sin x is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Why we are applying sin x only? Here opposite side is there, hypotenuse is there. Opposite and hypotenuse relation sin and cosecant. Now we are applying sin x. Sin x is equal to opposite to the x angle yz by hypotenuse 2x, sorry, hypotenuse xz, yz value x, xz value 2x. Therefore sin x is equal to, so x cancel 1 by 2. Sin x is equal to 1 by 2 in terms of sin 30 degrees, 1 by 2 value in terms of sin 30 degrees. Sin get cancel, x is equal to 30 degrees. So x value 30 degrees. So automatically it is 30 degrees. Sum of angles in a triangle, sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of angles in a triangle 180 degrees. So angle y plus angle x plus angle z equal to 180. So angle y 90, angle x 30, angle z we have to find out 180. That is 90 plus 30, 120. Angle z equal to 180 degrees. If angle z is equal to 180 minus 120 degrees equal to 60 degrees. Therefore angle z is equal to 60 degrees. Yxz is equal to 30 degrees and y angle yzx is equal to 60 degrees. Seventh question, is it right to say that sin of a plus b is equal to sin a plus sin b? Justify your answer. So sin of a plus b is equal to sin a plus sin b. So a value, consider a value 30 degrees, some b value 60 degrees. Take a equal to 30 degrees and b is equal to 60 degrees. Sin of a plus b is equal to sin 30 plus 60. Sin 30 plus 60, sin 90 degrees. Sin 90 value 1. And also find out the RHS value. So RHS value, sin a plus sin b. A value 30, sin 30 degrees plus sin 60 degrees. Sin 30 degrees value 1 by 2, sin 60 value root 3 by 2. So denominators are equal, add the numerators, 1 plus root 3 by 2. Therefore LHS not equal to RHS. Hence this statement is false. Hence this statement is false. Statement is false.